99% of teenagers ages 12 through 18 don't wear seatbelts. Why though? Because they aren't cool? Because they aren't comfortable? Before you answer those, ask yourself this.
Seatbelts prevent drivers and passengers from being ejected during a crash. People not wearing a seatbelt are 20 times more likely to be ejected from a vehicle during a crash. More than 3 out of 4 people who are ejected during a fatal crash die from injuries.
Seatbelts may be uncomfortable, but it can save many lives. Click it or ticket.